Preachers, not pizzas.
My cousin owns a business called Manic Street Pizzas.
This is OMGB. On the sofa from Tokyo. I'm Justin Moorhouse and I'm big in Japan. Today we've got Taekwondo star and silver medalist. It's Lauren Williams, everybody! Yes! Take a seat, Lauren Williams! How are you, Lauren?
I'm good. I'm better than I was yesterday anyway, that's for sure.
Day after you competed and you picked up that silver medal, have you brought it with you?
I might have.
Oh, go on then.
Go on then.
Did you sleep with it? Was it under the pillow?
No, I didn't, but it was on my bedside table, so
lovely,
can't
lovely.
believe it.
I'm not allowed to touch it.
You're not allowed to touch it, but...
Oh. Well, welcome to On the Sofa here from Tokyo. You are 22 years old, a silver medalist. Tell me about the caravan.
Right, so it started in 2012. The Olympics was on telly. I was initially a kickboxer, so I had no idea what Taekwondo was. I was just like the general British public, flicking through the channels and came across Jade Jones, who was in the last 10 seconds of her Olympic final.
Yeah.
She took the gold medal and I was sat in the caravan at the time with my dad. Fast forward a year, the opportunity came up where GB Taekwondo put out an initiative to invite athletes from other sports to come and try Taekwondo. And I said no. Yes, I've got pushy parents, I've got strict parents, and despite me saying no, they said, come on, let's go for it. And
they said, this is what we've always dreamed of, growing up in the valleys in Wales, for our daughter to go and be a Taekwondo
go
star.
and live in a caravan. And that's exactly what they did. We moved that caravan up to Manchester, split the family apart, so my mum come to live with us, and my dad and my sister stayed in Wales. My sister lived with my grandparents, and yeah, we lived in a caravan.
Is this true? You once fought on for a whole minute, listen to this, after breaking your leg in a bout.
Yeah, that's true. Turkey, it was about 6 weeks before the World Championships, my first competition of the year. I was in the final and I was winning nearly by a point gap, is where you have a 20-point gap. Lifting my leg up, I felt a crack, put my foot down, and the pain was indescribable. I just felt sick straight away. I knew straight away it was crunching every time I walked. It was horrible. I turned to my coach, I was like, oh, I can't believe I've just done this. I had to hop on my leg. Oh. I had that leg in the air. I couldn't stand on it, so I had to kick with it, and I just cracked on, but...
Hang on a minute, you couldn't stand on it, so you had to kick with it?
Yeah, I had to kick with it.
I mean, that's a reasonable thing to say.
But no, I had to kick with it because I couldn't put pressure on it and I wanted to finish the fight. So
I'm aware you've seen the film The Karate Kid.
I have, and my coach joked about that. I literally did the exact same thing.
Finish him!
I did, I gapped her and I won it. So.
And you actually won?
Yeah, I won. I did like a jump, twisting kick and I won. It was great.
I would guess that if there was any burglars around the area you live, they're probably going to avoid your street.
It's funny you say that. We've been burgled a few times. I came back on the weekend once, and no joke, no word of a lie. I'm a fighter, right? Turned up this one time, put the key in the front door, opened the door, and I just felt this draft, and I was like, this isn't right. I walked through the hall and I see the patio wide open. I was like, oh no. I ran out of the house as quick as possible. I ran. There was no fight in me whatsoever. I ran.
Well, that's the right thing to do,
though,
isn't it? I went
in my car and I called my boss. I said, someone's in our house. Like, I don't know if they were upstairs, whatever, but yeah, although I'm a fighter, I did run away.
No, you did the right thing. You walked away.
Yeah.
We'll say that.
Yeah.
I'm not calling you a weakling. Okay, so you're going to tell me which of these are true and which ones are false, okay? And these are research I've done on the internet about Blackwood, okay? Blackwood is twinned with Protivin, a small town in the Czech Republic.
Am I supposed to say true or false?
That's the very essence of a true or false question.
Sorry, I missed. False?
True.
Is it?
Yeah. How long have you lived there? It's on the signs when you walk. The Manic Street Preachers are from Blackwood.
Pizzas.
Preachers, not pizzas.
No, because my cousin owns a business called Manic Street Pizzas.
Yeah.
So that's partly true.
The Manic Street Pizzas?
Yeah, I'm not joking, I swear.
Really?
Yeah, I swear.
What happens if the pizzas are bad? If you tolerate this, then your chips will be next.
I don't know, I promise you.
But the Manic Street Preachers, the band,
right, yeah.
They're from Blackwood, yeah? True or false?
I've heard about them, but I don't know if they're from Blackwood. I'm going to say yes.
Oh my word, they are. They're the most famous thing from Blackwood.
I didn't say I knew much about it. I've lived under a rock.
You know about the Japanese game of cup stacking?
I do, yeah.
It's huge. We want to see how good you are. You prepared to give it a go?
I'm going to give it a go, yeah.
Let's cup stack.
Let's go.
All right, Lauren. Silver medal has been won. Cup stacking is your next challenge. We'll start timing when you start.
2, 1, let's go. Right, patience, patience. What is going on?
10.35.
10.35. Go! So Lauren, 10.35. You said you were going to let Bradley have his moment.
I'll give it to him.
You're pleased for Bradley, aren't you?
Yeah, I am pleased. He deserves it. He's trained hard for this, and yeah, he's been doing this all his life. So yeah, he deserves this moment.
So thank you to Lauren Williams, our silver medalist Taekwondo star. Fantastic stuff meeting you today. Thank you so much. We're back tomorrow with somebody else, somebody fantastic again. Don't forget, if you want to join in the conversation, #OMGB. See you tomorrow. Thanks, Lauren.
Thank you.